how to set and change root password on Ubuntu. So first open the terminal, and so if you are a sudo user, you can set new root password. So type a simple command sudo passwd and type enter. So enter your sudo password first. So after that enter a new root password. So enter new Unix password. So retype new Unix password. So password update successfully. So after that verify root password set or not. Simple command su super user and root. So type here root password. So I have successfully logged in root user. So root Ratnapedia. So again, how to change root password. So exit to root user. So type simple command change root password sudo passwd space root. Enter new Unix password. So type again type. So password update successfully. So after test your root password and login as the root, type command su hyphen and enter. So password for your root user. So we can see now logged in as the root. So thanks for watching.